Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Chinese look for culture theme and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this look. The first one, you're going to choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it black. Okay, and for the face, you can choose this one. And then we're going to wear the codes item. I'm going to choose this dress from the Lunar Year update. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm just going to go to the World Culture Update area. And I'm going to choose this item. Okay, and I'm going to change the toggle to let's try sideways. Okay, and I'm going to put on heel. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to put crown. I'm gonna go to this area and choose this one, and I'm going to change the color of the leaves. Okay, I'm just going to color it with this maroon color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to move to the dressing room. Just go back to the dressing room, and then I'm going to put on this crown and I change the toggle to 2. Okay, and that's a simple. This is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.